Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
The groundskeeper god, called Bagong, supervises the many local gods of a specific area. Followers often write auspicious words on a chunk of stone or a wooden tablet as a way of worship. Some Hakka people treat Bagong like an elder from their own family. And, in fact, the name Bagong is also used when describing your grandpa's brother. The god's wife is called Bapo and is a faithful companion of Bagong.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And again, this month we're talking about Hakka beliefs about the gods and deities that they actually pay respect to. And one common one, actually Leo told me before, is 土地公, the god of the land, is very popular, common here in Taiwan. You may be able to see some of these small temples inside alleys, throughout streets, inside the city, because the land of the god is the most common god. But in Hakka, there's a different way to say it. 你们并不是说土地公，对不对？你们名称是
八公。
八公，对啊，为什么会变八公？八公是什么？
其实八公的意思就是说，比如说我叫爷爷的哥哥，我们就要叫他八公。
哦，就是那就叫伯公啊。
对，伯公。哦，对，所以那种感觉是很亲切的，很亲近的。
Okay, interesting. The Hakka culture calls the land god Bagong, which also means your grandfather's brother. Okay, so he's kind of like a immediate member of the family. 这样就感觉好像他是家中的成员之一的那种感觉。
对啊，而且我们还担心那个八公他一个人会太孤单，所以我们要给他一个八婆。像客家有一首童谣叫做八公八婆，莫吃鸡莫吃牛。吃着爱被穷皮婆。
这句话是什么？伯公跟伯婆，
就是说我们的小孩子他们在唱的童谣里面就讲到说，伯公伯婆我们要没杀鸡没杀鹅，然后呢杀只鸭子呢像个蝙蝠那么大，就是可能就很小的，就是一个
反正就很有趣的一个童谣，就对了，
很有趣的一个童谣。
Got it. Okay. So apparently this god is so close to the people. Again, he's the god of land. There's actually children's songs about him and how he actually has a wife too. So it's not just Bagong, it's also Bapo. So they must live in this temple together. Again, these temples are found everywhere throughout Taiwan. 那这个庙怎么称呼呢？因为他们一定是住在这个庙里面嘛，对不对？
八公庙。
八公庙. Okay, that's the temple for the land god. So that's all about Bagong for you on today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.